Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix shutdown problem in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So at first you just need to right click on your start menu, just right click, and after that click on device manager from here. After open this window which is device manager, you just need to expand system devices. Now from this window, you just need to find this option is called Intel Management Engine Interface. Right click on that option and go to properties, and here you will get an option called Power Management. After that, uncheck this option which is allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. After that, click on OK. Now try to shut down your PC or laptop normally and it will fix your problem. So I hope this quick tutorial really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.